check out this sneak peek of Dog Boy. Now keep in mind, this is a work in progress. Hope you enjoy.
If you can, go to Crescent Point tonight. There's going to be a huge meteor shower. Remember, during meteor showers, big wishes come true. Oh, before we go, one more announcement. It's the most wonderful time of the year again.
Yay, Christmas!
Well, yeah, there is that, but I was talking about the annual science fair. Yay! Science fair! It's totally optional to participate, but I will be offering extra credit for those that do. Oh, just don't forget to register by Friday. The fair will be at the end of next week.